Okay, this is moving words. And this is the next step in factoring that we started last week. Okay? So if you notice, we have x plus 4 times x plus 9. It's already been factored for you. And the difference is, instead of equals y, it equals 0. And so this is called the zero product property. And the zero product property says that if any of the factors equals 0, they can all equal 0. So if, therefore, you set x plus 4 equal to 0, and x plus 9 equal to 0, and you solve each of the equations. So if x plus 4 is 0, add a negative 4 to both sides, and x equals negative 4. And then x plus 9 equals 0, so add a negative 9 to each side. X equals negative 9. So your answer is negative 4, negative 9, and you're done. Those are x roots. And so what it's telling you, what it's actually telling you there, what is negative 4 and what is negative 9, gentlemen? What is it? Well, what it is if this was graphed, it would tell you that the parabola is going through negative 4 and negative 9. That's where it crosses the x-axis. That's it. That's what you're discovering. So what you're doing on moving words is you're solving for where it crosses the x-axis. So what do you do on one like this? A times 5a minus 12, a plus 4 equals 0. Right? So you have, remember, it equals 0. So if one factor equals 0, they can all equal 0. So you have actually 3 factors. So a equals 0. 5a minus 12 equals 0, and a plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so you've got this one done. Add negative 4 to both sides, a equals negative 4, and then add 12 to both sides. 5a equals 12, but we're not done. Then divide both sides by 5. A equals 12/5. So you actually have 3 factors, one of which, now we've got both F words, factor and fraction. And that's fine. Can a line cross an axis not on a point? Absolutely. It doesn't always cross absolutely on 0 or on 1 or on 2. You've seen that before, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't always cross right on the line. I mean, that's the nature of the real world. The nature of math books is to make things perfect. The nature of the real world is not to. Okay? So,
Perfect world would be boring.
solve the equation the way you need to solve the equation.